Beautiful. I just needed your consent for that. Right. So let me start with the three things you said you know. So lot is the size of your entry. So it's the entry size. So the lot starts from micro lots, which is 0.01. And then you have mini lots, which is 0.10, and then you have a full lot size, which is 1.0. Now, 0.01, let me go here, for example. When you want to enter the market and you put 0.01, 0.01 means for every pip move, you're going to make 0.01, which is 10 cents a move. Now, let me explain that again. It sounds complicated. I guarantee you it's not. So with 0.01, it means that every time the market moves one pip, you make 10 cents. Okay?
Yeah.
Should I explain again?
Yes, please.
Okay. So 0.01 is the minimum lot size you can ever trade with, right? It means that every time the market moves one pip, you make 10 cents. Okay?
Okay.
Beautiful. You want me to explain that again?
No, I'm fine.
Okay. If you don't understand something, it will be nice for you to stop me so I explain it again for you. Okay. Make sure you have a note down. I'm recording this, but make sure you have a note down so you can always reference to it. Right. Now, the pip it's kind of like the figure right here. So I'm gonna do something right now. Let me say I move my MT4 like this. How many pips is this?
3 pips for the buy and 5 for the sell. Oh, now it's changing to 6 pips.
6. Where do you see the 6 pips? Can you indicate that? Can you point
The
me to that?
tiny decimal, the tiny decimal fit up after the like the buy is 1.07943.
1.079. No, don't look at that. Look at this arrow. You see my arrow on my screen? See this arrow that I'm moving about?
Yeah.
So now how many pips can you see here once I move the arrow about? Look at where the plus sign is. How many? What's the pip?
The pip is 4.
No. So the pip would be, you see where it says 6/839/1.08744?
Yeah.
So 1.08744 is the price at that level. All right? That's the price.
Yeah.
Now, 839, when you want to find out the pip, you always delete the last figure at the end. So you delete the 9 away and you say 83 pips.
Is it going to always be like this?
No, if I move it down, for example, how many pips is this? What can you see? Focus just on the middle number.
Okay. Okay, you see 3 pips.
No. Focus on the middle, the entire middle number.
1308.
So the thing is always ignore the last number, the 8. So it means 130 pips. Okay. Now, how many pips do you see now?
67 pips.
Beautiful. How many now?
31.
Beautiful. Now?
96.
Beautiful. Now?
195.
Beautiful. Now you know what a pip is.
Yeah.
That's the distance from your entry point to your stop loss or your take profit. Okay? The pip distance is the distance from your entry point to your stop loss or your take profit. Okay?
Okay.
Simple. So now if we have 0.01 entry, all right? So I'm going to put up a notepad right here. So let's say our lot size is 0.01. And keep in mind, that means you're making 10 cents a pip. Now, if our lot size is 0.02, means you're making 20 cents a pip. If it's 0.03, you're making 30 cents a pip. If it's 0.05, how many cents will you make?
0. That you means you're making 50 cents. 50 cents per pip.
Beautiful. Now it's 0.09. How many cents are you making?
90 cents per pip.
I'm gonna jump it up a little bit. If you make 0.10, how much are you making per pip?
You're making 100.
And 100 cents is how many? If you have 100 kobo, how many naira do you have?
1 naira.
Beautiful. So if you have 100 cents, how many dollars will you have?
That's $1.
Exactly. Beautiful. You sound Ghanaian for a second. You've been Ghana before?
No.
Okay, beautiful. All right. So 0.10 means you're making $1 a pip. Now, what would 1.00 mean you're making?
That is $100.
No, that would be $10 a pip. So let me break it down to you. 0.01 means you're making 10 cents
Yeah.
a pip. 0.10 means you're making $1 a pip. 1.00 means you're making $10 a pip. You understand?
Yeah.
So which
sorry.
yeah,
Sorry.
on.
The 0.10 thingy is the lot, right?
Yes. So all of this on the left hand side, 0.01, 0.10, one lot, all of that are lot sizes.
Okay. All right.
So your minimum lot size will start from 0.01 up until as big as you want it to be. But because of we are retail traders, we don't have that ability to get super big.
Okay.
Some brokers might only take you up to 50 lots. And at 50 lots, for example, let's say you have 50 lots, 5.00. How much is that per pip? Do you know?
That's $50 per pip.
No. If one equals to $10 a pip, how many would 50 be? So 1 equals to 10.
2, 3, 5, 5, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. That's $5 per pip.
No. If 1 is 10, how many would 50 be? Don't worry. Look, don't stress yourself. Feel free.
If 1 is 10,
yes,
that $50.
You're close, but it's not 50. So let me break that down. If you're making 1 for $10, one pip, one lot is $10. How much would 2 lots be?
2 lots would be $20.
Beautiful. All right. Now, how much would 3 lots be?
$30.
Beautiful. How much would 4 lots be?
$40.
Okay, beautiful. Now, how much would 5 lots be?
$50. No. 50 lots per pip. That's 500.
Beautiful. Good. Clap.
500.
Now, we're getting somewhere. We're getting somewhere now, right? So now you understand the pip is the size of your entry.
Yeah.
So the minimum size will make you 10 cents for every pip. And don't forget, I would just ask you this question. How many pips is this?
125.
Beautiful. So if you're making 10 cents times 125, how much would that be?
That's
Do you have a calculator?
Yeah. 125. That's $1,250.
No, you're wrong. 0.10 times 10.
0.
Don't forget, 10 cents is 0.10 of a dollar. Have I confused you? I expect you to be confused.
Yes.
So, how many cents make a dollar?
1 cent.
How many cents make a dollar?
I think 100 cents in
Beautiful.
one.
Beautiful. So, how many kobo makes a naira?
100 kobo.
I think I'll be using naira for you. I think that's much more, simple. So, in that regard, right? So, I'm saying now, right? If 0.01 will give me 10 kobo a pip, right? Now, let's say, how much will I make if I make 125 pips? I know that one kobo, 0.01 is 10 kobo a pip.
That's 1.25 dollar.
1.5. No, not necessarily. You're close. So what I would do in this instant is I'll do 0.10 kobo times 125. What do you get when you do that?
It's okay. Sorry. I missed the calculation. Sorry, just a minute.
No problem. Take your time.
0.10 kobo times 125. That's 12.5
Beautiful. So you're making 12.5 naira. You
per
understand?
pip.
No. Per 125 pips. I'll delete this again. So 0.01. How much are you making a pip? And 0.01.
1 pip.
No. How much are you making on 0.01? How much are
100.
you?
125.
Don't worry. Don't complicate it. Let's go back to the basics. 0.01 means 10 cents a pip.
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, yeah. 10 cents.
Don't get discouraged. I can feel it creeping in. You don't like mathematics. Don't worry. I know. You're good.
Yeah.
I'll take this loan with you. Don't worry. You don't need to rush. We'll get it. Now, we know that 0.01 equals to 10 cents a pip, right?
Yeah.
Okay. I'm just going to delete all of this. I'll cut it away so you don't see that. So in which case now, which means that when the market moves 1 pip, I make 10 cents. When the market moves 2 pips, how much will I make?
20
Beautiful. When the market moves
cents.
3 pips, how much will I make?
30 cents.
Beautiful. So when the market moves 125 pips, how much will I make?
12.5.
Beautiful. Now when the market moves 300 pips, how much will I make?
You make, just a minute. Times 300. You make 3.
3 what?
Just 3
No.
pips.
You're missing something. So if 10 cents, if 0.01 is 10 cents a pip, and if I say the market moves 1 pip, okay, let me try to see. Let me do it this way. Okay, so 0.01 equals to 10 cents, 1 pip, right?
Yeah.
So 0.01, which is 10 cents, 1 pip, and 0.01 would be 20 cents, 2 pips, right? Or
Yeah.
should I put the pip inside before the cents?
No, it's fine.
Okay. Now 0.01 again means how many pips have I moved now?
3 pips.
Beautiful. You're getting it. You're actually good at this. You're getting it. You understand? Now I'm going to change stuff a little bit up a little bit. Let's see. How many pips?
7 pips.
Beautiful. It's quite easy, right? It's fun.
Yeah.
Beautiful. Now let's say I skip this horizontal. All right. Let's say I skip this and I put this right around. You've never had a teacher before teach you this, right? Okay, no problem. We good. So how many cents or how much will you make here?
It's going to be 1.00
Beautiful. And how much
cents.
is 1.00 cents?
10 pips.
No, 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 no. Yeah, okay, you're correct. You're correct. But what do we call 100 cents? What do we call 100 kobo?
$1. That's
Ah,
$1.
beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. There we go. Now let's bump this up a little bit. All right, you ready? I feel you
Yeah.
charging already. I feel you charging. You're getting this already. I feel your charge. All right, let's go. Now let's say we got. Okay, I'm pushing you now. How much have I made? You need a calculator.
It's going to be 30 pips. There's 30 cents rather.
Not cents, not cents. What is it?
No, $30.
Ah, now you're getting it. You see, you see? It's not complex, is it?
No.
Are you confused?
No, no, no.
Okay, okay, okay. I see you're charged up. I see. Let me push you. Let me push you now. Let me push you. Let's do stay on the 0.01. Let's see. So now let's say $100. Right. So how much do how many pips have I made?
Um, that would be 110 pips.
No, no. Think about it. 10 pips is $1. How much is $100?
Um, That'll be 1 pip.
One
No,
pip
no, no,
is
it
10
can't be
cents.
1 pip.
Ah,
No, no, no. 10 is 1. 30. 30 is 300 pips is 30. I don't know.
you know
I'm
what?
sorry.
I like the way you just said you don't know.
I'm sorry.
Look, hey, you don't have to apologize, right? You don't have to apologize, right? It's learning. It's not a death sentence. Don't worry about it. Look, you're gonna watch this video again and you're gonna get it. That's the funny thing. That's why I'm laughing, right? Okay? Take it light, You gotta grab I can't tell you to drink a wine right now. All I say, grab a bottle of wine, just drink and just relax and we'll take it step by step. Okay. Now, what's gonna happen is this, right? If $30 equals to 300, $100 will equals to what? It has to be bigger than 300.
It has to be 1,000 pips.
Ah, there we go. You see, I told you you got this. Why you fronting for? You understand? You fronting, man. You're fronting. You know this stuff. I think you're teasing, but it's all good. It's all good. I feel you. I feel you. I feel you. Nah, let me take this a little bit harder. Let me make this slightly bit harder. The same thing. The same exact thing. How many pips do we have? The number is now different. The
Yeah.
the lot size is now different. So I'll put it right here so you can understand what I'm doing. Lot.
That would be 2,000.
No, 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 no.
Just
If
a
he
minute.
if he takes me 0.1, let me say, okay, if he takes one person 1 hour to finish a job, how much time will it take two people to finish that same?
1 hour.
No, if he takes one person, so you, for example, now it takes you 1 hour to do the laundry, right?
Yeah.
If you have two people doing the laundry at the same time, same amount of laundry.
30 minutes. 30 minutes.
Beautiful. So what would this be?
10,000.
No, no, no. It's half the time. So if it takes one person
Mm-hmm.
100 pips to make $100, how much time will it take two people to make $100?
500. It's going to be
Good.
500.
You see this? You see?
Oh.
It making sense?
Doesn't, because how is it higher and on 2 lots it's making 500, but on one it's making
It's not 2 lots.
1,000?
It's 0.02 lots. Don't get it wrong. 0.02 lots. Right? So
So
now,
that means
yeah.
it's higher. If you want to trade, you get more profit on 0.01 lot.
No, you get more profit on 0.02 lots because in one lot you have to move 1,000 pips to make 100. But with 0.02, you have to move just 500 pips to make 100.
Oh,
Ah, you see, right?
yeah.
Nice, isn't it? All right, let's go. I got you. I got you. 0.03. Now you need a calculator for this.
Mm.
How many pips? So now you have one person takes 1,000 pips to make $100. Two people takes 500 pips to make $100. How much time will it take three people to make $100?
Um, divided by 3. That's basically 250.
No.
Okay, just a minute. 1,000 divided by 3. That's like 333 pips.
Aha! Now you see, you got this. You good.
Mm.
You good. Okay. So these are small concepts. Are you
Yeah.
confused?
I'm not confused about the lot now. So I want to ask something, please.
Hmm.
So if you want to trade now, you put your lot size,
Hmm.
then your lot size will move,
Hmm.
then your pips is where you get your profit, right?
Aha. For how many pips to move plus in your side or negative in your side, you either make plus or you make a negative.
Okay.
You understand?
Right.
Make sense?
Yeah. Wait, sorry, can you come again?
So the lot size is fixed. For every move in
Yeah.
your lot size, if you use a 0.03, for example, it means you're going to be making 30 cents for every pip, right?
Okay, yeah.
Okay. So basically, if it moves in your favor, you'll be making 30 cents every time the market moves one pip. One pip, you make 30 cents. Another pip, you make another 30 cents, which is 60 cents. Another
Oh,
pip, you make
wow.
90 cents. You understand?
Wow, yeah,
And then
yeah.
if it goes against you, if it goes against you in the minus, you lose 30 cents. If it goes against you 2 pips, you lose 60 cents. If it goes away against you 3 pips, you lose 90 cents, and so on. You understand?
Oh, wow. Okay. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
That's how it's calculated. So there's the lot, there's the amount you make, and then there's the pip.
Pips. Yeah, yeah,
You good?
yeah,
Good. So in that case, we've explained what the lot is and what the pip is,
yeah.
right? You know what leverage is?
Like I said,
The
if you don't
amount.
have enough money, you can add more money, but it's fake money that's in it.
I like the fact that you said it's fake money, but it's not fake money.
Really?
Yes. So the leverage could be 1-to-1, which means for 100, should we use naira?
Yes, please.
So for every 1,000 naira you have, I think naira is represented with the hashed sign, right? So for every 1,000 naira you have, it means you have 1,000 naira. Okay. Now, if the ratio is 1-to-2, means for every 1,000 naira you have, you have 2,000 naira
So, where do you find leverage?
on the broker. So when you're about to create a brokerage
Okay.
account, it asks you for what leverage size do you want. You select 1 to 100, 1 to 30, 1 to 500, 1 to 1,000, 1 to 888.
So is it your money?
No, that money is not yours, but that money could be
Okay.
yours. So what's happening is the bank borrows you a certain amount of money because most people don't have enough balance to trade in the market anyway.
Okay.
Now the bank has capped it, and most broker has capped it now, so you don't go into negative and you don't start owing them money. You understand? Under normal
Okay. Yeah.
circumstances, before people end up owing the broker so much money because they never capped it. which means even though you
Uh,
don't have money in your balance, if you select a 1 to 2 leverage, for example, and you've gone beyond the 2,000, it still keeps going. So now you're now minus 1,000, minus 2,000, minus 3,000, minus 4,000, and you are liable to pay that back to the broker. But now because the broker knows that
uh,
when people blow their account at that level, people don't pay that money back, so they capped it. So once your 2,000 is reached and minus, you can't trade
okay.
anymore. You understand?
Oh, okay.
But now
So
the
basically,
yeah, carry on.
the trader is borrowing you their money to trade on their money.
The bank is borrowing you money to trade.
Okay.
You understand?
All right.
So
Yeah.
it's practically free money. But there's a but. The bigger your lot size, the more money you make. And the quicker you can blow your account or make your account. You understand?
Yeah.
So let's say, for example, if you have a 1 to 500, right? And you have 1,000 in your account, how much do you have?
1 to 500.
Mm-hmm.
I think you have 500.
500 what?
$500. 500 naira.
No, 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 no. If you have a 1 to 1, which means every 1,000 you have is 1,000 in the market. And you have a 1 to 2,
Okay.
every 1,000 you have is equivalent
Oh,
to
you have
2,000 in the market.
5,000. No,
No,
you can't have
500.
5,000.
No, no.
500.
If you
That's a
have,
lot.
hold on. If you have 1, 2, 5, and you have 1,000 in your account, how much do you have in the market?
You have 5,000.
Beautiful. Exactly. So now, if you have 1 to 500 and you have 1,000 in your account, how much do you have in the market?
Yo, you have 50,000.
No. Let me go back. Let me just do something. So if you have 1 to 50, you have 1,000 in your account. How much do you have?
You have 50,000.
Uh-huh.
Oh, you have 500,000
Uh-huh.
naira.
You see? The trick is this. Just times the end with 1,000. 2
Yeah.
times 1,000. 5 times 1,000. 50 times 1,000. 500 times 1,000.
All right.
You understand?
Yeah.
Good. So with that, which means that you have 500,000 in your account. If you're trading with one lot, it takes you it gives you kind of like, how do I explain this? Let me see how I can simplify this for you to understand. The bigger the lot size right here, you make much more money quicker. It allows you to enter trade which you're not normally allowed to enter. So, for example, now with gold, let's say you're trading gold. Gold could require you to have a minimum of 100,000 in your account to trade it. Okay,
Yeah.
so every asset has a different requirement. So gold could have a minimum requirement of 100,000 to trade it, right? Now, let's say if you have a 1 to 1 ratio and you only have 1,000 there in your account, can you trade gold?
No.
Exactly. So now let's say, okay, the broker say, I'm going to offer you a 1 to 2 ratio. Can you still trade gold?
No.
1 to 5 ratio, can you trade gold?
No.
One to
You
50
need
ratio?
like no, no.
Uh-huh. So what do you need?
Like 1 to 500 or
Or,
1 to 200 or 1 to 200.
or what again? You still need, there's still, you can go lower than 1 to 200.
Yeah, or 1 to 100.
Aha, to trade gold, right? So that means
Yeah.
for every 1,000 you have is equivalent to 100,000 in the market.
Yeah.
But what tends to happen is that when the market moves against you, you know, in a few amount of
Mm.
pips, your account is gone.
What?
You don't understand?
No, no, I'll do. It's just sad.
Yeah, your account is gone basically. So basically, it's equivalent to 100,000, right? So let's say now, if you traded the market with 0.01, all right? And you were making 10, let's say 10 kobo a pip, right? Now with this account size, with this 1 to 1, you can trade gold anyway. But with 1 to
Yeah.
500, you can still trade gold. Now the thing
Yeah.
is, the more the price moves, you're gonna be losing 10 kobo, 10 kobo, 10 kobo against you till you're at 1,000. Once you reach 100, once you reach 1,000 in minus, not in the asset but in the leverage size, you lose your entire 100,000.
Entire.
It doesn't, like on the forefront it wouldn't make sense, but on the back end it makes sense. In which case, what would happen is, instead of you losing 10 kobo every single time, you understand, you're losing 10 kobo times 500 every single time.
Okay.
You understand? Let me see if I can break that down. I think that's not a very adequate way to explain it. Let me see if I can break that down a little bit more further. So normally you're not allowed to enter a trade unless you have the minimum requirement in your budget. Now you have a 1 to 500 in your budget to be able to trade. Now what happens is, let's say I have 1,000 naira in my account, right? It would take me, let's say 10 kobo, 100, 1,000. It would take me 10,000 pips to lose 1,000 naira. Now, keep in mind, I don't think that works the same way in naira. If it was dollars, it would take you 10,000 pips to lose $1,000 or to gain $1,000. Have I confused you? I guess so.
No, no,
No? So
no.
basically, with the higher leverage size, you'll be able to make this trade and you'll still have 10,000 pips to risk. But keep in mind, the bigger your leverage size, the more access you're going to have to more trades. So even if you have a very, very tiny balance, you can trade this, but it will be dealing with you as if you have a big balance, basically. So the
Okay.
market won't deal with you as if you have a small balance. The market will assume you have a massive balance and it will eat into that balance very quick. So if you have 1,000 naira right now, it will think you have and you're using 1 to 500, it will think you have 500,000. So it will be deducting money in your account as if you have 500,000. You
Okay.
only have 1,000, which means that
Mm.
your 1,000 will burn off very, very quickly.
Yeah.
Okay. I will try to find a more friendly way to explain that. I will get a video that I will send to you. I'll search for a video that would I'll send to you to make it even more simpler.
All right.
You understand? So that way you can fully understand the dynamics of the leverage size. Okay.
All right.
So far, do you
Yeah.
understand what lot is and what pips is? And I guess how?
Yeah, but
Yeah.
yeah, I understand how the PIP is calculated, but my problem with the PIP is that um like, is the PIP only going to be showing on the map? Like, you can only see the PIP on the map.
On the map.
Sorry, on the chart rather.
Let me see. Which other way would you like to calculate the pips?
Like, I thought the PIPs were behind the current buy and sell
For this?
prices. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
No, the pips is not seen right there. This just gives you the
Ah.
ask price and the bid price. It gives you the buy
Oh,
and the sell price. So it means that, for example, if you look at this place, this is what the current price is,
yes,
1.07936,
yes, yes.
which is there. So if you're selling, it means you're gonna sell exactly from this point. If you're buying, it's gonna buy from 1.07963. So which means if you're buying, if you enter a buy now, it would buy from right here. That's what you call the broker spread. somewhere around
Oh, so the spread is the difference between the
there.
buy and sell price.
Nah, the spread is the difference between when you enter the price and where the trade will be executed.
Okay.
So let me
What's
say
the purpose of the spread?
the spread is for the broker. That's how the broker makes their money.
Oh, okay.
You understand? So if the
So it
broker,
has nothing to do with you.
it has nothing to do with you, but it has everything to do with you because if you have a broker, for example, that is taking them a high spread, let me go look for an asset. With this one now, the spread is quite low. So let me look for, let's check Bitcoin, for example. And this is the highest Bitcoin has ever been. So now with Bitcoin, for example, if we look at uh, the price, you see it says in order to go into Bitcoin, you have to enter at one. If you want to buy Bitcoin, you have to enter at 0.89238. And you see the price is at 0.803, 0375. So that means if you want to enter Bitcoin, you have to enter from here, somewhere around here.
And that's my other problem. Like, how do you know when to enter? Like,
Ah,
how do you
you're
know?
not even there yet.
Oh, okay, okay. I thought I was not there. Okay,
Yeah,
okay,
you're not even close yet. We have to take
okay,
you to the baby steps first. So
okay. Yeah.
so basically what this means is if you enter the if you click on a buy now, look, I'll click on a buy now. It's a demo account.
Yeah.
You see where my buy is? Right here, instead of here. So that means from here to here, how many pips is this?
839.
Good. That means the broker has already made 839 pips from me before I even make one single penny.
Okay.
That's how the broker makes their money. Now, look, if I sell, for example, where did he sell from? Exactly where I wanted it to sell from. You understand? The broker didn't make that much money from me if I'm selling. They made most of their money from me when I'm buying. It's different from different assets. Okay.
Okay. Yeah.
So you have to be careful in terms of spread because at the night time, for example, the broker might give you a spread that's very wide. So if I enter here, the broker has made 839 pips. I haven't made a penny. I win, I lose, the broker makes the 839 pips.
Oh.
That's how the
Yeah. I
broker made their
understand.
money. That's what they call spread.
Oh.
So I'm just gonna close this trade right now, right? I'm
Yeah.
gonna close this trade right here. So basically the spread is the distance between your entry price and the price which your trade is being executed.
Good.
And the spread is the amount the broker makes on every trade you take.
Mm.
Okay?
Yeah.
Do you understand that?
Yeah, I do.
Beautiful. Now let's go to the next level. Do you understand what buy and sell is?
Basically, it's the amount they are selling that currency at that point.
You're correct. So if I buy, what do I expect price to do? So if I bought from this point now, what am I expecting to happen?
Um, if you buy from this point, you'll be getting 126.
No, 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 no,
20.
no. Don't watch this number. Forget about all these numbers. If I
Oh,
buy, what
okay.
do I want the market to do? So currently now price is at 126.120, right? Right here. That's what you're
Yeah,
saying, right?
yeah,
So if I buy, what
yeah.
am I expecting to happen to the price?
You're expecting the price to go up.
Good. And if I sell, what am I expecting it to do?
You're expecting the price should go up also too.
No,
Or
if I
down.
sell,
Sell
exactly.
is downward.
Buy is up, sell is down.
It's down.
So
Okay.
buy means up, sell means
Means that.
down. Okay.
Mm.
Now,
Yeah.
where is the current price? What's price at the moment? Can you tell me the number price is at?
Um, 126.130.
What?
126.130.
Beautiful. And you know by looking at the left and by the right, right?
Yeah.
Beautiful. Now, basically, if I buy, price is meant to go up. If I sell, price is
Yeah.
meant to come down. Either ways, we don't care. Keep that in mind. A lot of people just don't want to see, oh, I don't want to see it go down. You don't care if it goes up or it goes down, okay? You just want to
Yeah.
make your money, right?
Yeah.
Don't get don't
Yeah.
get attached to if price is going up or going down. Yours is you don't care if it goes up or it goes down. You just want to make your money. You just want to be right. Okay? Now,
Yeah.
buy can be called buy, right? Up can be called buy. It can also be called call. Okay? It can be called call.
Mm.
Call. It can be called buy. Okay?
Mm.
So buy has two different names. Well, it does have variation of name, but the name you need to know is it can be called call and buy, right? And sell
Mm.
can be called sell or put. It can be called sell or put. Okay? You understand? So
Yeah.
I can either say buy or I can say sell, or I can say call or I can say put. Okay?
Yeah. Yeah.
You understand it? So if I say put, what does that mean?
So
Good. And if I say call,
that's buy.
good. So if I say call at 126,225, what do I mean?
So you're going to have to buy at 1226225.
At the number I called, right? Good. So
Yeah.
what will I do? I will have to wait for price to get to that level, right? Before I decide to buy, right?
Oh.
So if I say
Yeah.
126.225, call at 126.225, it means that until price gets here, I do not do anything. But once price gets here, I do what?
You buy.
Good. Are we good?
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay, beautiful. Now, what if I say put at 125,982? What do I mean?
You will not do anything until the price goes down to 122,890.
One
125,982.
beautiful. And what do I do when price gets there?
That's when you sell.
Okay. Now I want to sell at that point and I want to make £10 a pip. What is the lot size I'm going to enter?
£10 a pip.
Yeah.
Going to enter 0.01.
No, 0.01 makes 10 cents a pip when it goes down.
You're going to make zero. You're going to put 0.10.
0.10 makes me $1 when it goes down. I want to make $10 when I go down.
So you want to make $10 per pip.
Mm.
That's 0.100.
No, 0.10 will make me £1 a pip.
Please, can I see the chart again? The thinking again.
Mm. So if I want to,
Yeah.
if I'm going down, For example, I've deleted the other one so you can't see it. Let me see if I still have it here. This is it. So what do I do if I want to go down and make $10 a pip? What do I sell at?
1.00.
Okay, I'll make it simpler for you. So if I put 1.00 right here, it means I make $10 a pip. If I put 0.10 right here, I make $1 a pip. If I put 0.01 here, I make 10 cents a pip. Okay? Or shall I re-explain?
Yeah. Are you using the catalog again?
No, no, I'm typing it here. Look here. Look here. Can you see? So if I
Okay.
put
Okay.
1.00,
Yeah.
it means I make £10 a pip if price
Yeah.
moves. If I buy, I make £10 a pip. If I sell, I make £10 a pip or $10 a pip. If I use 0.10,
Yeah.
I make £1 a pip or £10 £1 a pip or $1 a pip if it moves up or down. And if I put 0.01 here, I make 10 cents a pip if it goes up or 10 pences a pip if it goes down. You understand?
Yeah. Okay. So you put 1.00
To make
to
10.
make £10 a
So
pip.
if I want to make £20 a pip, how much should I put?
2.00.
If I want to make £24 a pip, how much should I put?
24.
Hmm.
2.40.
Aha, beautiful. If I want to make £25, how much should I put?
2.50.
Good, good. Now, if I want to make £100 a pip, how much should I put?
You're going to have 100.00.
No, not 100. You
No,
have
no, no. Sorry. Sorry, no. It's 10
mm,
point zero zero
beautiful. That's it.
ten 10 lot.
£10 a pip. 100 pound a pip.
Okay.
Okay. So far, are you
Yeah.
understanding much better?
Yeah, yeah.
Do you have any questions?
Mm, not really for
Feel
now.
free.
I
If if
think
if
I
you don't
have to like
understand, feel free.
rewatch it.
You have to what?
I actually understand. I actually understand everything you're talking to. I have to like rewatch this whole thing again.
Of course. Hence why
Yeah.
I'm
So,
considering. Yeah, carry on.
I understand everything you said, but can I summarize everything you just said today?
Okay, please carry on.
So basically, a pip, if the pip is how you make your profit, and it depends on the lot you put for the pip. So if you want to make 10
Mm-hmm.
pounds per pip, it's 1.00. So it depends on how much you want to make per pip. And if they make a call, that means buy, and if they make a put, that means sell. And
Mm-hmm.
a call, um, it's you, they can make a call for like to like let's say 1,26315.315. So you have to wait for the market to reach that level before you buy that
Mm-hmm.
certain
Mm-hmm.
currency, and also vice versa for sell.
Mm-hmm.
If you want to, if they make a put for 125.895, you have to wait for the market to come to that certain level for you to buy that currency. And
To sell.
spread, you
If
need
you're
to be very
selling to
careful
sell.
to sell,
Mm-hmm.
to sell, to sell. Then spread, you need to be very careful. Is the difference between the amount the broker makes and what you also make.
No, the spread is
So
where you
there
execute
are situations.
the difference in where you execute your price where you enter your price and where your price is executed.
You did. Okay. All right. But to get the PP, you have to use the chart to see how much PP you're making when you're about to make a purchase.
Mm-hmm. 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 Yes.
So yeah, I got everything, but I have to rewatch again.
Of course, of course. What I would do is I'll upload it to the website and I'll send you a private link and you can watch it
Okay.
personally. You would be the only one that have access to the link and you can watch it by yourself when you feel comfortable.
Uh,
So
all right. Thank
what I
you very
presume
much.
is, should we do the lessons every 2 days or would you like it every single day?
Uh, I don't know, but I think every 2 days so that I can
Or
practice,
every
right?
3 days or every four
No,
days?
every two. No, every 2 days so that I can practice. No, every a day interval. Like today we're in Thursday, Friday, then Sunday, like that.
Okay, beautiful. So what we can do is we can take it little by little so you can actually explain what you understand. And I think what you should also do is once you understand something and if you have a question about it, you should send me a Telegram chat. You
Oh,
understand?
okay.
And
Oh,
you can send me a voice note or you can try to give me a call. Uh, you know, ideally a call from around 11. I mean, this is 9:53 our time. So 21:53 right now. I think that's 22:53 your time. So I mean from around
yeah.
11 my time, 11 a.m. to about 7 p.m. I
All
should be
right then.
available. You
All
understand? So
right
that's
then.
about 12 p.m. your time till about 8 p.m. your time. I should be
All
available,
right.
to answer your question. You can give me a
All
call. I will give you an answer for the questions that you have. But with this already that you've learned, I would like to give you a homework. Now,
okay.
what's gonna happen is currently you have the professional membership. Am I correct?
Yeah.
You should have received an email, so you have access to the entire thing on the website,
Yeah.
right? So you quite have a lot of work to do. So you go to the beginner zone. You start off from the beginner zone, and you remember I said if I say call at this, buy at that,
Yeah.
that's called pending orders. They're
Okay.
called pending orders because they're not executed live. So what I would expect
Uh,
you to do is as a homework, I would like you to look into video one in the beginner section, which is the buy, sell, buy stop, sell limit, sell stop, sell limit. So buy stop, buy limit, sell stop, sell limit is just simply the same thing as buy at this price, sell at this price, right? But there's two
okay.
different types. There's a buy stop, there's a sell stop. And the difference is, for example, I can say buy the price at this level right here, when price
Yeah.
gets here, or buy the price when it gets here. You understand? Mm? So right here, if I right click and click here, it's buy limit. If I right click and buy here, that's a buy stop. But you watch the video. Let me not confuse you right now.
No.
So what I'm gonna say is watch the video, watch this video
Yeah.
that we just did, and then when you have time, watch this 3 minutes video to understand this. And if you
Okay. The
have
three,
time,
right?
what?
Did you say the three or just this one?
No, just the one that we created now. I'm gonna upload this to the website so you have access to it.
Oh, okay.
You can see it. You watch this one, you rewatch it to understand what we've spoken about today. Then, when you have some time as a homework, you watch this video. It's 3 minutes long, 3 minutes, 18 seconds long.
Yeah.
You understand? It would
All
propel you first, further on what we've spoken about today. And watch this second video, which is 4 minutes, 58 seconds.
right.
So you have two homeworks. This one, watch this video, and watch this video. Together, they're about 8 minutes. Not okay, 8 minutes long. About if
Yeah.
I'm not mistaken, 8 minutes. Is this 8 minutes 16 seconds long? Okay,
Yeah. All
so
right.
it's not that long video. So 8 minutes 16 seconds, and try to understand what I've been saying in these two videos. Okay,
Uh,
It's not that much. The beginner zone is not really that much. I mean, this was created for people to have a little basic knowledge about it. You understand? And this is created for you basically. So once you get this concept of buy, sell, lot size, and all of that stuff, this becomes much, much easier. Okay.
all right.
So
All right.
uh rewatch what we've done today and watch this two video. If you have any questions, message me on Telegram or give me a call on Telegram or send me a voice note on Telegram. Okay.
All right. Then. Thank
All
you
right.
very
Be
much.
good.
All
Beautiful.
right.
Thank you
Thank you
very
very
much.
much.
By the way, I didn't get your name. Your name is, if I'm not mistaken, Azizat, right?
Yeah, Aziza.
Aziza. Okay, beautiful. I'm guessing you're Muslim.
Yes.
Uh, I don't know the tribe you're from because it could be, you could either be Hausa or Yoruba.
Yeah.
Yoruba. Okay, good. You in Lagos?
No, Abuja.
Ah, okay, cool, cool. You're good. All right. So it's very nice that you've taken to want to learn forex, and it's very beautiful. The main reason I told you to analyze EuroCAD yesterday was because of this. I will show you in a second now. There's something called probability. You'll learn it later, but it shows you what the percentage of win you would have at a specific date. And I should have let you trade yesterday, but if you had, you might have not made some profit um, because you don't fully understand the market yet. You could have made some profit. I mean, you would have, but it would just be me rushing.
Mm.
Hold on. So the main reason I told you to analyze it is to get what level you're on, but also is to show you this tool called probability. And basically what probability does is it shows you what the percentage of win that you have a specific date. And as of today, we had 100% chance of win.
Ah.
100% chance we couldn't lose. Market has done that for 20 years straight. And if I go to Euro CAD right here, this is it on a daily chart. Let me see what we did. It went straight up by 100% chance we won. And if I calculate, I'm just gonna pull that up right now. How many pips is this?
142.
Good. And how many pips is this?
111.
Okay, beautiful. So that means is either you like made 142 pips or 111 pips. And if you're making 142 pips and you were just trading with 0.10, how much is 0.10?
0.1 $1.
$1 a pip. So you would have easily made $142.
Hmm. Wow.
You understand? And if you use one lot, how much is one lot?
$10.
How much would you have made?
For
142 pips?
142.
142 pips.
Um, 10 times 142. That's 1,420.
That would be how much you would have made today.
$1,420.
That would have been how much you made today. We made today 13,608 pounds, 0.97 from that trade alone.
Man, I don't know what to say.
Okay. So basically, that's the kind of profit. And that's just from one tool alone. We didn't even have to do much analysis. It shows us we had a 100% chance of win. And
Did
in the
you
year,
lose
we
money
have
on
like,
it?
I think we have like 1,200% chance or 10 maybe in a year. And out of those
Um,
trade, if you trade those, you could only trade. Sometimes you could trade 10 times a year. I mean, if you can make 13,608 in one day, and if you times 13,000, let me just do calculator. Let me just do calculator or just times. This is me just being hypothetical, by the way. So if I times 13,000 for 13 times, let's say 10 times. So we only trade 10 times a year. How much am I making?
what? $150,000.
130,000 pounds every year. If I don't, I just trade 10 times a year on a 100% day.
What?
Okay. And if I do pounds to dollar, I'm doing that conversion lately. If I do that to dollars, so how much would that have been? I would have made $175,000, 634. $0.55 every year if I trade 10 times a year. So for 10 times a year of trading, which is less than 10 minutes work. So if I do that, so in a year, if I work for 10 minutes for 10 days, 10 minutes every day for 10 days, I'll be working 1 hour 40 minutes, right? And I would make for 1 hour 40 minutes, I would make $175,000.
I don't know. I'm speechless. Like, is this a joke?
No, it's not a joke. It's called the market being rigged. Basically, this is not the lottery. It's nothing like that. This is basically logic and mathematics, basically. And this market is a cheat. Just letting you know, market is a cheat, and the people that owns the market are cheating people. So I'm just letting you know, if you align yourself very good, you make ridiculous amount of money, easy. Okay, that's just all I just wanted to
Mm.
say. So you don't need to trade every single day. If you trade on the right days in the year and you trade in the right direction, you make a ridiculous amount of money. In a year, you could
But the
become.
thing is that how do I know when to trade?
Look at it. For example, this is a probability tool. You have access to this tool. It shows you the percentage.
Oh,
Today,
okay. Sorry,
100%.
sorry. You were saying something during the webinar that we have 14 trading days or something like that.
We have 23 trading days in a year, in a month, 23 to 20 trading days. Now, what that means is in December, for example, our trading day starts from the 1st of December, right? So that's day one, day two, day three, day four, right?
Yeah.
Day five, day six, day seven, day eight, day nine, day 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. We omit Saturday and Sunday. We don't count them as trading days.
Oh,
So in this
okay.
month, we have 15 plus 4, 19. We have 23 trading days this month.
Oh, okay. Please, sorry. Can you go to the
And guess
meta?
what? We have another 100% trading day this month.
Oh, wow.
We have 200% trading day this month. So we have one on the 12th trading day, which is, I'll come back to your question in a second. So to
No problem.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 trading day. We have 100%. Then we go 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. And on the 23rd, we have 100 trading days, 100%.
Wow.
So we have another day at the end of the year as a goodbye gift. We have another 100% win. You wanted to ask a question, carry on.
Yeah, I was actually like, can you go to the metaphor?
Hmm.
Um, the M1, M5, M15, all those things. What are
Time
they?
frames. They're called time frames.
Oh, oh,
So
okay.
M1 means
One.
for every candle, that's just 1 minute. Every candle you
Oh,
see here is 1 minute. M5, what does every candle mean?
5 minutes.
Good. M15, what does every candle mean?
15,
Good. M30,
30 minutes.
H1,
1 hour.
beautiful. H4,
4 hours.
beautiful. D1,
1 day.
good. W1,
Then 1 week.
good. And M,
Um, I don't know.
M, N,
Minutes.
month.
Month. Oh.
One candle is 1 month.
Mm, okay. All right. Thank you very much.
You're highly welcome.
So we'll see on today's Wednesday, on Friday by
Friday, same
9.
time?
Friday, yeah. Can
Okay.
we make it earlier because Friday night? Can we do like
I'm
eight?
guessing you're going out to party.
Yes.
Okay.
By
How old are
eight.
you?
24.
God damn, you young.
No, I'm not.
You're young, man. Shit.
No, I'm not. My
I'm not
old age
old
is
neither.
coming
I'm just saying.
gradually.
Huh?
I said my old age is already coming.
No, no, no. You're young. If you're old, what am I then?
How old are you?
I'm 26.
Really? Really, nigga? Really? I was expecting you to say like 30 or 40.
No, I'm 26. I could be rich as fuck, but I'm 26.
Like, how did you do that? You know a distance. How?
I have friends in high places.
Ah,
I even know
wow.
I know the vice president of Miners Association in Nigeria.
Oh, wow. Like, how long have you been trading?
5, 6 years.
Did you go to university?
I have masters in strategic business management.
Oh, wow.
Geeky, right?
I don't even know what to say. Like, anyway, Shad, the world has changed. So, yeah.
What did you say?
I feel like you're lying to me, but oh, well.
Look,
It
hey,
is what it
I ain't even lying to you. I'm being straight with you. Why would I need to lie to you? I ain't gonna lie about my age. Fuck that.
do you know how like smart you are for like that age? Like you're pretty too smart for that age.
Look, right when you're in Europe, you better be smart, or you're gonna work in a freaking
No,
toilet.
I know, obviously, yeah, but like for you to like sit down and be like, okay, this is what I want to do and stuff like that is
I
like,
do a lot of stuff more than this. I handle all the businesses.
yeah, but okay, maybe because like in Nigeria, like our parents take care of us for like way too long.
Exactly, man. Right here, man. You gotta hustle. You gotta hustle your head
Yeah,
up. You understand? This ain't no joke. You gotta hustle. That's what it's about.
yeah,
You understand?
yeah,
In
true.
Nigeria, there's a lot of like a parent caring about children and looking after them. Thank you. Looking after them,
Yeah,
all of that stuff. In Europe, it's quite different. Your parent don't have to look after you. It's not a responsibility. You're the property of
yeah.
the government.
Oh yeah, you say so.
Yeah, so that's how it works in Europe.
Anyway, true,
All
true.
right, it's all
All
good.
right then.
So I'm gonna
Take care.
export this video and I'm gonna send it over. I'll put it online on the website and I'll send you the link so you can then watch it.
All right. Thank you so much. Have a
All
nice
right.
day.
Take care of
Bye.
yourself. Bye.
I love you too. Bye.